Do you believe that this little thing here contains more salicylic acid than the ordinary salicylic facial serum that retails at 15,300 or thereabout, and this is just 1,200 naira? This is a kill. So my beautiful family, welcome back to our channel. This is our channel because I did for you and you did for me. You know that vibe, right? Today we are going to be talking about this Nixoderm here. I used this and it worked for my face within 2 weeks. It wasn't up to 2 weeks, but let me just say within 2 weeks. Okay, not recently, that was like last month, I decided to start eating tiger nuts for its health benefits, but I somehow noticed that I started reacting to it. Like, I woke up one morning and then my whole face was filled with rashes, small rashes that people could actually notice and ask me what's wrong with your face. So along the line I got in contact with this. Okay, so someone actually gave me this, then I used it and it worked for me. In say a week stroke 2 weeks, okay, the whole rashes on my face cleared. The ones that developed into bigger pimples, that I later popped and still use this thing, everything cleared up within 2 weeks. So today I'm going to be telling you how I use this, and we are going to be looking at the ingredients, because when I went through the ingredients list, I was actually surprised at what this Nixoderm actually contains. Okay, so let's get right into it. But if you're not seeing my face for the first time, you know how we do it. Please like this video, leave a comment before you even start watching this video, because I am always here to give you nothing but quality, useful information. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome, and I know you're not going to regret the watch. So let's get right into it. So we're going to be looking at the ingredients real quick. So it contains benzoic acid 6%, titanium dioxide 1%, salicylic acid 2.5%, precipitated sulfur 4.6%. So these are the active ingredients this Nixoderm contains. So we are going to be looking at what these ingredients really does for the skin. Okay, so because most times we just go and buy things and we don't even know what they do for our skin and if our skin really needs it. So we're going to be reading it out now together, right? So benzoic acid and salicylic acid somewhat goes together because they do almost the same things. Okay, so here Google said benzoic acid helps prevent infections caused by bacteria. Okay, while salicylic acid helps the body shed rough or dead skin cells. Okay, so now it says benzoic acid and salicylic acid for the skin is a combination medicine used to treat skin irritation, inflammation caused by burn, insect bites, fungal infections, or eczema. Okay, so that is really the work of benzoic acid and salicylic acid. That is why if you're having pimples, if you're having acne, if you're having redness, burn on your face, you are always asked to get either a serum or a face cream or a tube like this that contains salicylic acid. But this one all doubles and now contains benzoic acid. All right, so that is what this two does for you. So let's see what titanium dioxide does for the skin. Titanium dioxide is used in mineral-based sunscreens, okay, to help reflect and scatter UVA and UVB rays, that is the sun rays. Okay, so they said because titanium dioxide can help prevent sunburn and sun damage. Are you seeing something? SPF products with these ingredients can generally be used by all skin types looking to protect their skin from the sun. So it is safe to say that this titanium dioxide is like a sun protectant ingredient that this thing contains. So if you're using this thing for your face, it does not just heal your acne, heal your pimples. It also goes ahead to protect your face from the sun, which is a win considering the price of this particular product. Do you get? So additionally, about salicylic acid, it says topical salicylic acid treats acne by reducing swelling and redness and unplugging blocked skin pores. to allow pimples to shrink. It treats other skin conditions by softening and loosening dry, scaly or thickened skin, so it falls off and can be removed easily. So can you see how these things come together to work for you? So to show you that this particular product really works for your face, for pimples, for acne, for rash, for any type of skin issues. Here it says for all skin problems: eczema, pimples, blemishes, rash, athlete's foot, ringworm, scaling on skin due to external irritation. Okay, so we are going to look at what precipitated sulfur does for the skin. Precipitated sulfur is known to help reduce redness and inflammation and irritation on the skin. It also helps to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of acne. It can also help to soothe and calm irritated skin. I'm just so happy that the ingredients used in this particular Nixoderm is like everything targets at acne, pimple, irritation and all of that, and that is what makes it suitable for all skin types. This particular Nixoderm, they actually did it with the ingredients. Some ingredients are there to reduce swelling, some ingredients are there to reduce dryness. So if you're using it and you have dry skin, it is good for you. If you're using it and you have oily skin, it is good for you. There is no way, like I have oily skin, and when I apply it to the face, it has this shine. Okay, I don't know what has that shine on the face, but it gives this shine on your face. And even with that, it doesn't break me out or anything like that. It helps to cool your skin, and it also helps to heal your acne and pimples and rashes and whatever it is that it's those whatever it is you have on your face. And also salicylic acid helps to peel your skin. That is why, because when I was using this, I did not use any maybe dark spot remover or anything, but I noticed that using this consistently has also helped to lighten those dark spots I had a bit, in as much as I used my lightening soap on my face, but this helped to make the brightening of the dark spots a lot quicker because of the salicylic acid, because it's going to help to peel your dead skin cells, and when it peels, it's brings out a fresher, more plump, smooth skin. So basically that's all about the ingredients and everything it contains. Now for the usage, okay, if you watched my face skincare routine where I use this, I applied this first on my face. That's after having my bath. I applied it first on my face before applying my face cream. But later on, I found out that technique that technique was making me, anytime I remember to use this thing, I have this type of, I don't know, cringe in me, because this actually it stinks the face. Okay, it stinks the face. So yeah, if you're someone that is really scared of painful things and all of that, it might make you not to want to use it every time. So the better way I found, this is the way I now use it, is to first apply my face cream, and then I take it in portions and apply to places I want to apply. Just make sure you rub it in totally. Okay, you can wear this out, it doesn't leave any white casts on your face, but I would say that if your case is severe, maybe you should just take in the pain and apply it first, let it sit, and then when you're applying your face cream, you just be gentle. But Sha is going to mix, because what happens is when I apply it on my face and then I start applying my face cream, because of that, the liquid from the face cream will now distribute it all over my face, both my eye area, my mouth area. So everything is going to start hurting, and sometimes tears start gathering on my eyes. But trust me, it is worth every stress you might go through while applying this thing on your face. It is worth it, because it is going to work for you. If you have eczema on your body, you can use it. It's going to work for you. So that is how I am using this currently. After applying my face cream, I just go in patches anywhere I feel I have any breakout, which I have not really had like the way I used to since I started using this particular product. So that's all I have for you in this video. If you have more questions concerning this retails for 1,002 where I am. It is online, and you can get this anywhere you are in the country, because in the world, because it's available on Amazon. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So for that, it is 15 gram, and it is made by a company called Johnson. Yeah, that's what it's written, Johnson, but I'm not sure it is the same Johnson that we know. I am not sure it is the same Johnson that we know. But yeah, it's made by SC Johnson. I don't know if that's visible, by SC Johnson, and it is 15 grams. And yeah, this is what it looks like totally. So in case you want to get it, okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you. I already said that before. If you have any more questions concerning this product, let me know in the comment section. If you have concerns, whatever it is, just let me know. I got you covered. Okay, so yeah, remember to give this video a like if you have not right now. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you on any of those videos popping up anywhere here. Let's continue our discussion, and always remember to smile, because it is never out of fashion.